Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a crochet emoji keychain. This pattern is very easy for beginners. Please refer to this video before you do another pattern. In this video, we will learn about a magic ring, slip stitch chain, single crochet, and single crochet increase. For beginners, you may get your own crochet kits in our store. Please refer to the descriptions of the video. Let's start. We are going to make a flat circle according to this chart. Use your right hand to hold the crochet hook just like holding a pencil. For the left hand, yarn around the little finger. Go between the middle finger and pointy finger. Pull in front and hold the yarn with the thumb and middle finger. We use pointy fingers to adjust the tightness of the yarn. Do it one more time. Around the little finger, between the middle, pull back and hold it. We are going to make a circle magic ring. Hold the yarn, cross it, and use the thumb to hold it. Now we have a circle as a magic ring. To secure the circle, insert the crochet hook, yarn over, and pull through. After that, we need to make a slip stitch. Yarn over again, and pull through the small circle. The magic ring is now tight and secure. We can start making row 1 in the magic ring. In row 1, make 6 single crochet in a magic ring. To start a single crochet, insert crochet hook into the circle and pull through the yarn. Now we have 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. 1 single crochet is completed. Insert the stitch marker into the first stitch. Continue making a single crochet. Insert the hook, yarn over, and pull through. Do it one more time. Insert the hook, yarn over, and pull through. Continue doing 4 to 6 single crochets. 4. 5. 6. 7. Loose the knot, holding the 6 stitches, and tie up by pulling the shorter yarn. To complete row 1, we need to make a slip stitch in the beginning stitch. Remove the stitch marker insert the hook into the first stitch. Pull through the yarn and go across the loops. Row 1 is completed. To start making row 2, make a slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. It is just like making a chain. We can see a vertical braid here. In row 2, make a single crochet increase in each of the stitches. Firstly, insert the hook into the horizontal braid, yarn over, and pull through. Insert the stitch marker in the first stitch. For the second crochet, we need to insert the hook into the same stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over, and pull through. A single crochet increase is completed. Continue doing next. One single crochet, and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Repeat 6 times. Row 2 is completed. Make a slip stitch. In row 3, we need to do a single crochet and single crochet increase alternately. Remember to make a chain before starting crocheting. Firstly, make a single crochet. Insert the stitch marker. In the second stitch, make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 1 and 2. After that, 1 single crochet as usual, and 2 single crochet in next. 1 and 2. Repeat 6 times. Row 3 is completed. Make a slip stitch in the end. In row 4, follow the sequence. X, V, X, repeat 6 times. single crochet, (14 single crochets), single crochet, row 15 is completed. Row 4 is completed. Slip stitch and make a chain. In row 5, follow the sequence. X, 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 V. Repeat 6 times. Making 3 single crochet, two single crochet in the same stitch. Three single crochet and so on. Row 5 is completed. Slip stitch and make a chain. Cut the yarn. Hide it properly. Use another color to sew the face. Make 2 pieces of them and sew them together, back to back. Put on the keychain. Hope you enjoy your crocheting. Well done!